Hello everyone, people of planet Earth, welcome back. Please subscribe, like, comment and press the bell and help me get to 50 subscribers. Today I'm going to do continue what I started off a few weeks back on virus numbers. I just wanted to clarify some points and expand a bit in it, and then later I'm going to do more on how you describe virus sizes. So I said before that there's 10 to the power 31 viruses, okay, on Earth. This is individual virus particles, okay? Which is a lot. This is 100 million times more than bacteria in oceans, okay? Something like 10 to the 23 virus infections per second, okay, which removes 20 to 40% of all bacteria per day, okay? So 10 to the power 23, there's 1 with 23 zeros after it, number of infections per second, removing 20 to 40% of all bacteria a day. But bacteria are continuously reproducing several hundred times a day anyway. So, and one teaspoonful of soil contains 10 to the 9 microbes, being bacteria, viruses, protozoa, archaeobacteria, which is equal to the human population of Africa. I'm just giving you this idea of numbers here. There are nearly 8 billion people, there's 10 to the power 31 viruses, there's 10 to the power 23 virus infections per second, killing a lot of bacteria, and this teaspoon of soil contains as many microbes as there are humans in Africa. It's just to give you an idea of numbers. And then in a minute I'll show you how many viruses infect people, which is enormously smaller than these numbers. I did just a wee side thing. I mentioned in the previous video SV40 virus, simian virus 40, I showed you a photograph. That contains, that doesn't contain any virus, but it contains 958,980 atoms, okay? 958,980 atoms, okay? So that's just a bit of, I was going to talk a bit about SV40 some other time, but the virus, it contains just under 1 million atoms, which is, it's a fair amount. It's not enormous, but it's quite a lot. So anyway, back to this. Of all these billions and billions of viruses, there's about 4,000 species of human pathogen, okay? Virus, bacteria, virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and helminth, okay? But this is actually less than 1% of all microbe species on planet. So, very small number of microbes. I'm mentioning all these other ones because to give you an idea of numbers. With coronavirus, everybody's very worried, but actually it represents an incredibly tiny fraction of the total number of viruses on Earth. So, excuse me for wobbling the camera. So, the International Committee of Taxonomy of Viruses, okay, the International Committee in Taxonomy of Viruses has a record of 9,110 species of virus, okay? And the Wellcome Sanger Institute says there's more than 140, has recorded more than 140,000 kinds of bacteriophage, which are a virus that infects bacteria, okay? Humans have about 94 viruses in us, okay? Such as 19 DNA1s plus RNA1s plus proviruses, okay? But only a very finite small, a very infinitesimally small fraction of viruses infect humans. Okay? In mammals and birds, there's approximately 1.7 million virus types. Okay? But in humans, greater than 200 cause disease, okay? So, out of all the hundreds and hundreds of thousands of virus types, millions, only about just over 200 infect humans, okay? And there's at least 100 million virus types, okay? And this is not including bacterioviruses and archaea bacteria, okay? So over at least 100 million virus types, which is not including bacteriophages that infect bacteria and archaeobacteria and other types, only just over 200 cause disease in humans. So the number of viruses that infect humans really is infinitesimally tiny. And the number in total virus particles is just staggeringly astronomical. Okay, I hope that's informative. Please, thank you for your time. Please subscribe, like, comment, and help me get me to 50 subscribers. Thanks.